In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Pantum P2502W printer with a Windows laptop with a USB cable. So this cable comes with the printer. Connect your laptop and also connect your printer. This end goes here. Go to your laptop screen, open the web browser, type in www.pantum.com, open the Pantum website. On the right hand corner, select this and go to the service and support. Scroll down, click on the file, download driver, scroll down. Search by product name, type in Pantum P2502W and search. Scroll down. It should display your operating system with the Pantum drivers. Now click on the download. Open file. Click yes. That's the download window. Agree with the terms and conditions and click next. Wait for the USB to show up. Click here. It may take some time for the drivers to download. Print is ready. Let's print a test page. A4 size or letter size paper. And then click on the print test page. So that's the Windows test page and we have successfully installed our printer. Click OK and click done. So setup is complete. You can close all the windows and we can start using this printer using a USB cable for printing. Thanks for watching.